Happy Easter, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support. And today it's Easter Sunday and we have a little celebration for the kids. Happy Easter, guys. Yun ang ating Easter eggs and the chicks. Ating Easter bunny here. Thank you guys for supporting my small YouTube channel. Happy Easter, guys. Ang ating eggs. We have a mini eggs here and the eggs. And our Easter basket. Let's check how many eggs in the basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 eggs and chocolate lollies. And we have these small mini eggs too. And some decoration here for Easter. Chocolates here and hindi na siya matayo, guys. Ayan siya. Ganyan na lang natin siya. And our chocolates. Nakain na yung isa eh. And this one. Yung madalang natira sa mga chocolates.
Hi.
Hello. Are you taking a video?
I know.
Thank you.
Do you want any?
No, thank you.
Oh,
Ah, very pretty. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Want me to get you something
Your voice is all over the video. Okay, why?
Let me take that picture of you.
Thank you guys for watching. The last part is when I walked through the station going home. I saw the big Easter chocolate and the guy playing the piano. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone.